Hi, in this video I'll show you how to descale your kettle. That is removal of limescale mineral deposits that accumulates. It occurs when hot water evaporates and solidifies. You would require soda, vinegar, a measure, a tablespoon, and of course your kettle that you need to descale. As you can see, the kettle out here has a lot of calcium limestone deposits.
Coming down.
I'm going to take a cup of vinegar. And pour it into the kettle.
Mama, yeah.
Let the vinegar sit in the kettle for an hour or so. As we see, the vinegar has already started to do its job of descaling. To this I'll add a spoon of the baking soda. This step is optional, you can skip this step. I prefer adding the baking soda directly to the kettle. Let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Lot of improvement in the base plate. I will now get this mixture to a boil. Avoid inhaling the fumes that come out. Now I boiled the vinegar. You can see the plate has become clean. throughout the vinegar and thoroughly clean the kettle. If you still have stubborn deposits, put again a cup of vinegar and let it stand for an hour approximately, and you can get it to a boil. That will be all in this tutorial. Hope this is of help. Please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon for similar DIYs. See you in my next video.